The objective of this Pan-African Roundtable is to institutionalize peer review mechanisms among oil-producing countries on local content as a key development imperative for domestication and sustainable growth of Africa's hydrocarbon resources.
I honestly believe that trading is good, but what is better is production. You need to produce before you trade. Unfortunately, for our industry, it's a very, very capital-intensive industry. What are you producing that you're going to trade with? We need to come together and invest in one of these countries, and we know it belongs to these countries. The time has come. This is the way to go, and this is what we are thinking.
A key component of the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement is rules of origin. For any product to be considered African product, must meet a minimum local content. Otherwise, it's not African product.
It was the same thing that happened when we gathered and started talking about globalization. And I think the African Free Trade Agreement that was signed is a good thing for us. As Africans, we must negotiate it and we must work together as Africans to use our resources to move the continent forward.
I'm delighted that this maiden edition is holding in Bayelsa State, Nigeria.
Listen to the sound of the drum, same old drum passed on to us by our forefathers. The man who knows the creek, his name is Izon Fiamma. Our paddle, the strength of our forefathers, as they face the unknown tag, our masquerade. The Igiri, the jingle bell of our masquerade that gives pride to our masquerade in times of our festival. Our women, the pride of our men, their waist, the fame of the fish. It is the secret of the fish. These are people are blessed. Nature loves them. Their men, handsome, and the women, beautiful.
Is it